and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to share with you one of the new kits. Well, I'm saying new. It actually was available from the beginning of May, from the 6th of May, I think. Oh, excuse me, I've just done the biggest yawn. That's really bad. Sorry about that. It's Friday afternoon and it's been a very long week. Yeah, it was available from the 6th of May, but we've been away with Stampin' Up on the trip, and it's the first opportunity that I've had to take a look at it. Although I have seen bits and bobs online with it, and I am using it in an in-person class that I'm going to be doing on the 27th of June. So I thought I'd do a little video in case you want to see what's in there. You might want to order it. It is available on my online store. So as always, these kits come in these really handy fab boxes. I've taken the shrink wrap off. I might just move my camera slightly so there's a bigger area on the screen. I've already taken the shrink wrap off, but you get this little stamp set. I will show you the artwork in more detail, and a little mini ink spot, Night of Navy. You also get these fab blue gems and a little section of the foam pad dimensionals. You get your own block for stamping, and you also get a little mini reel of tape. Then you get these gorgeous envelopes. So they're all the same, 9. Ooh, they're lovely. And you get 3 of each of the pre-printed cards, I think. So they're so nice. So 3 cards there. Let's move those because we don't need to show those. Oh, now, well, I've already got some thoughts here. Look at these gorgeous double-sided card bases. Now, I don't know about you, but that seems a bit of a waste to have that on the front and the back. So I think it would be nice to slice them in half and then grab some white card bases and add them there. So you'd get 6 rather than 3. That would be my, and probably the same with these. So you get 3 of those, and then we get these little bits to decorate here. Oh, these are lovely. And these pieces. And then you've got these. Now, there are always more of these than what you need, because in case people, you know, have any errors, make any mistakes. So there's actually 12 of those. Oh my goodness, I can't stop yawning. I'm so sorry. There's 1 extra of each of the sizes. Then you always get like a piece of, this is really handy for stamping on if you want like a solid surface. And then here's the artwork to share with you. So in English you've got wishing you comfort, you're in my thoughts and sending love, and then you get this little foliage stamp. And then of course you've got the instructions, and it's called Beautiful Blues. I didn't say that at the beginning. So you've got really, really detailed instructions for how to make these cards. Now, I wasn't going to I'm planning on making a video to making any of the cards today, because I think what I might do, now I've seen it, I might have a go at adding a few more bits and creating some extra cards. But yeah, instructions are all there, and yeah, that's everything in there to make the gorgeous cards. And I just thought I'd do a really short sort of 5-minute walkthrough with 3 yarns on the contents of the class, or the kit, sorry. So come back soon and I will have made some cards with this. And if you are interested in purchasing it, it is available on my online store, which is thepaperhaven.stampinup.net. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment on this YouTube video and I'll get right back to you. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.